Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out. This is the inaugural video for this watch channel. You know what I'm saying? I am a watch guy. You know what I mean? I enjoy all type of watches, you know what I'm saying, for watches with horological and a history to them. And I also enjoy fashion watches too. You know what I mean? So I'm going to be bringing out a lot of that. But right now, this is a package from Watch Gang, and again, this is our inaugural watch video. If you check this out on the Purple Underground YouTube channel, you go over there and check out some Watch Gang unboxings that I've done. But here we go with this one right here, right now. Let's see what we got this month. Alright, here's their regular flyer and poster. Let's see. Okay. Oh wow. We got some coupons. Okay. Here we go. That's what's up. Happy holidays. Watch Gang in the building. That's what's up. Now let's see what they sent this month. Morphic. Let's check him out. Oh, before I do that, let me check out what. Let's y'all see what I got checking on the wrist. Seiko. You know what I mean? Let's check out this Morphic. See what the deal is. Uh-oh. Ooh, that is nice. Okay. Look at that right there. Rose gold it look like. Let's see. Let's look on the back here. See what we got. Push button deploying clasp. There we go. That's nice. I like that. Let's see. Let me check this out a little bit closer. Yeah. Japanese quartz movement. You know. I like that. I like that. Let's see. Let me take that piece of plastic out. Get this thing started and working and running. There it is. That is nice. And it got some decent weight to it too. I like that. Not bad. Not bad at all. You know. You got the date at 4 o'clock. Let me see. Oh yeah, I like this watch. I like this one. Yeah, pretty sturdy. Pretty sturdy. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and try him on the wrist right quick. You know, and then we'll go to the computer, check out the website, see what it's worth. You know what I mean? Do we get the bang for the buck in this one? So stand by. You know what I mean? Silver bracelet, black face, rose gold, hands in second hand. It's nice. I like that. I like that. Get into it. Now we finna go to the computer and see what's up and see what this is worth. Yo, all right, people, here we go. We are on MorphicWatches.com. And here is the watch, which was sent to me from Watch Gang. They're classifying it as the M74 series. Retail price $350. Well, as you know, this is the original tier. So let's scroll down and get some specs. Let's see. Here we go. 304L surgical quality stainless steel case. Precision Japanese quartz movement. Non-glare scratch resistant. Mineral crystal. Logo engraved stainless steel case back. 304L surgical quality stainless steel bracelet. Logo engraved stainless steel box with tongue and safety clasp. Luminous hands, luminous markers, magnified date window, 42mm case diameter, and 5 ATM of water resistance. So you know what? This was definitely the bang for the buck. It's a nice looking piece, you know what I mean? So what y'all think, people? P. Ross, Watch Gang, Original Tire, and I'm out.